In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use meeting notes in Replit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the prompt area, how to trigger a meeting notes template, and how to get a clean, reusable outline you can fill in for your next team's sync. First, open your browser and go to the Replit website. When the page loads, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is the home base where you can start new projects and use Replit's AI features. Keep your focus here. We're staying on this page for the entire process. Look for the prompt box on the dashboard. It's the text field where you can type natural language instructions for Replit to generate content. Click into that box so it's active and ready for input. Just beneath the prompt box, you'll often see suggested prompts. One of those is a ready-made option for a meeting notes template. If you see it, select that suggestion. Using the built-in option is quick and ensures the output includes the most useful sections. If the suggestion doesn't appear, no worries, you can type your own prompt into the box. Enter this exact prompt: a meeting notes template for startup team meetings with sections for agenda items, decisions, and action items. That phrasing is designed to produce a structured outline you can reuse. If your meetings aren't for a startup, you can swap startup for your context, like product or engineering, while keeping the same section so the structure stays intact. After you've typed your prompt, press enter on your keyboard. Replit will begin generating the template. Give it a moment to finish this. You'll see the content appear once it's done. The result should be a clear, organized set of headings and placeholders, agenda items to guide the flow, decisions to capture what was agreed, and action items to track what happens next. Start filling in your real meeting details under each section. Keep agenda items short and in the order you plan to cover them. For decisions, write them as definitive statements so there's no ambiguity later. For action items, begin each line with a clear verb, and, if helpful, note who's responsible and the intended timeline, so follow through is straightforward. If the first draft isn't quite what you need, tweak your original prompt by adding a little context, such as meeting length or team focus, and run it again. Small wording changes can refine tone and layout without changing the core process you just learned. That's it. You've used Replit's prompt box, selected or typed the meeting notes prompt, pressed enter, waited for generation, and received a clean, structured template you can use right away.